Good morning, children. In this video you got some revision and few question answer whatever you already explained in my previous video. This is I am telling you for the notes. You have to prepare the notes very nicely and then I give you few question answer and try your best to collect the answer for yourself in your own language. Write it nicely in your rough copy. If you are not got it, then tomorrow or the next period I will give the answer in Zoom classes, or the next video I sent all the answer of this question. But it is very easy question. You have to write yourself. Okay, now I revise it. In village across India, farming is the main production activity. The other production activity as non-farm activity include small manufacturing, transport, shopkeepers, etc. Production is an activity that involves making of goods and services that a person requires. Land, labor, physical capital and human capital are the four requirements of goods and services. Every production is organized by combining land, labor, physical capital and human capital, which are known as factors of production. Farming is the main production activity in village Palampur. The modern farming method have overused the natural resource. Soil becomes less fertile and degraded by overusing of chemical fertilizer. Small farmers along with their families work in their own field. Medium and large farmers hire farm laborer to cultivate their fields. Farm laborer can be either from landless families or families working in small plots of land. The government has fixed minimum wages for farm labor. The modern farming method need a great deal of capital. The large farmers sell the whole crop at the market and earn good income. The small farmer keep a part of the crop of the family's consumption and sell the surplus one. Traders buy the crop of the market from further sell into the shopkeeper in cities and towns. About 1/4 of the people living in the village are engaged in non-farming activity. 1/4 of means the 75%. Okay? Now, what about the next question? One word answer or one sentence answer. Which is the main activity of Palampur? What are the other activity carried in the Palampur? How is Palampur connected with neighboring village and town? What are the various means of transport that are used in Palampur? What is the main activity of village in India? What is the aim of production? Briefly state the factor of production of goods and services. What is the meant by the other production activities? What are the factor of production? Farmer plow is an example of which factor of production? What is the human capital? These all 11 questions are very short answer type question. Now, I am giving you few short question. Describe about the people living in Palampur. Which type of people or families of the Palampur? What are the various facilities available in Palampur? I have already told you and give you the chart also. What are the three ways to sustain land? How is fixed capital different from working capital? Now, 3 long answer type question. The first is the same. What are the 4 requirements of the production, or explain the importance of any one of these, or explain the 4 factors of the production. Which factor is most scarce and why? Explain labor and human capital as the requirement for production. Differentiate between fixed capital and working capital. You must have to read the chapter nicely and try to find out. Otherwise, I give you answer in next video.